Let's see what cars we find. Oh, they're even up on the grass. Bruh. Oh, dude, I want to go in the tunnel. The golf carts go over there. I know. I wonder if it's haunted. Kayla, I found your car.
Which one?
That blue one.
Oh, thanks.
Look at that. That's your car right there, Kayla. Only you.
Only me.
Only you. Dang, son.
Got my exercise circle.
Good job, Kayla. You did it.
Because we walked up the big hill.
Officially just in time. Go check that out. How do you... That's tiny. Brennan, sit. That's like dragging on the ground.
The lower the better. What's our strategy? Oh, look at that. It's a video.
Bro, what?
So what's the point of explain this?
It looks cool.
It looks cool, but like you can't go over anything.
No.
It's a race.
Aerodynamics.
Is that like really a race? Is it a race?
Bruh, there's a monkey in there. What's the monkey's name? Brandon, what's the monkey's name?
I don't know.
Dang it. No, Brandon, this is your car right here.
No fucking right to
Would be fun. Little Mercedes.
That's a recording truck. This is probably a race car. Kayla has chosen the Lambo.
Yeah, she's got good taste.
Or the McLaren.
The
Or this
McLaren.
one.
Yeah.
I know.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.
We're gonna spin the wheel. Kayla, what'd you get?
A small bucket of balls.
Small bucket of balls. And I got a t-shirt. Woo! This guy's angry. Look at his teeth.
Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine.
Look, Kayla's Jurassic Park. Even has a winch to it.
Yes. Old Chevy.
Yeah, buddy.
57 has the so it's either got to be 55.
had the best ride.
It's a Holly. It's from Holly.
Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just me, your body, and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So
When's it gonna come on? I don't know. They're usually off by now. Other places. It's past 10. Yeah. Wow. What the flip's up? Patty whack. Dinky winky wonky donkey. Hello.
Hello.
Oh, did you see that one?
No. I did not.
Because it's invisible.
Oh my gosh. I was like, it was clear over there.
There's lightning over there, though.
I know. See, I think that it really was like.
Oh yeah, over there it
I
is.
thought it was like maybe fireworks.
Oh, no. Yeah.
As I'm going. Dude, Surfville knows how to party.
Yeah,
Okay, let's make fun of me.